In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to upload a whole iPhone album to your Google Photos. So as you can see right now, I'm in my album, and if I tap on select, let's select all photos in this album, then tapping on share. If I slide to the left side, tapping on more, and here we can see the Google Photos is not showing. Now if I deselect all photos, tapping on this three dot, tapping on share, also here we can see the Google Photos option is not showing. So in this way we can't actually upload our whole album to Google Photos. Here's the exact way to upload your all photos to your Google Photos. So just open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap this plus icon, select album, and here just tap on this name option and type a name for the album, then tap on select photos, and now you have to manually select those photos from your iPhone Photos app to add to the album. So just go ahead and select your album photos manually, just like this. Once you're happy, just tap on add, and this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.